A former Theranos lab director back on the stand in the Elizabeth Holmes fraud and conspiracy trial. A defense attorney grilled him for a fourth day, challenging his honesty and his competency. KPIX 5's Len Ramirez following the high-profile case. He's live at San Jose's federal courthouse with more for us. Len?
Well, Elizabeth Holmes is the one on trial for fraud and conspiracy, but today the defense sought to turn the tables and blame the company's problems on the former lab director. In a tense exchange in front of the jury, defense lawyer Lance Wade read aloud from a previous deposition by former Theranos lab director Dr. Adam Rosendorf. Rosendorf had stated Theranos did not have a higher number of faulty test results than other labs he worked at, including the University of Pittsburgh lab. That's 180 degrees from what you said in your direct testimony in this trial, Wade said. Yes, it seems to be different, Rosendorf admitted, but added the other lab had a much higher volume of tests than Theranos.
They're trying to point the finger at Dr. Rosendorf by saying he's the actual fraud.
Former prosecutor and legal analyst Michelle Hagan says Rosendorf is the prosecution's key witness who's now scoring points for the defense.
This witness cuts both ways for both the prosecution and for the defense. But keep in mind, he's not the only witness. We've already had prior witnesses come forward who all testified that the tests were inaccurate.
Later, in a ruling favoring Elizabeth Holmes, the judge agreed to let the defense point out that Dr. Rosendorf could have his license suspended by regulators after there were problems with his current lab in Southern California. On redirect, the prosecutor refocused on Holmes, with Rosendorf testifying she wanted to rapidly expand the use of the Theranos analyzers, even though she knew they were inaccurate and had frequent breakdowns.
So it's coming down to who the jury believes. The jury is the one who weighs the credibility and the veracity of each witness. It's up to them who they want to believe.
So, Len, did the lab director ever ask Elizabeth Holmes to stop using the Theranos devices for the test?
Yeah, it's a good question. It came up at trial here today. The lab director said no, he never directly brought up to Elizabeth Holmes that they should stop using those Theranos devices, because he said there was tremendous pressure that permeated the company to make those devices work. Dr. Rosendorf said he personally worked very hard to try and make it work, but it just couldn't, and he felt it wouldn't work. So the best course for him would be to just step down, which he did at the end of 2014.
All right, more testimony to come.